Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Good Umunsu. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're very welcome. This is the part 5 of the job servicing series. In this part of the series, I'm going to talk about how to outsource your job to freelancers. Now you've gotten a job. How do you get professionals to do the job for you so that you can make profits even though you don't have the skills to actually do the job yourself? That is exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video. So guys, let me quickly recap. This video is all about how to make money online with no capital in 2022 through job servicing, and this is the part 5 of the job servicing series. Like I said, in the part 1 of the job servicing series, I talked about how to choose a profitable job servicing niche. In the part 2 of the job servicing series, I talked about how to create a free and a professional website for your job servicing business. In the part 3, I talked about how to create your payment method. In the part 5, I went ahead to talk about how to get clients online. Now this is the part 5, and in this part 5 of the job servicing series, I'm going to talk about how to get freelancers to do the job. So once you get clients, how do you find people to do the job so that you can make profits? There are a lot of websites you can get freelancers. There's peopleperhour.com, there's FIVERR.com, there's Upwork.com, there's Guru.com, there's Freelancer.com. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to talk about FIVERR.com because FIVERR is a little bit more popular than others, and also FIVERR has a user-friendly website. And again, the freelancers on FIVERR.com are more cheaper to hire compared to other freelance websites. Okay guys, so with that said, let me dive into the video properly. But before I do that, I would like to beg you guys to please share this video. There are a lot of people looking for an opportunity like this to make money online. Share this video to family and friends. Trust me guys, somebody's win cannot stop your win. Somebody's shine cannot stop your shine. So please let other people get to know about this opportunity. People are looking for ways to make money online. Show them this opportunity so that they too can go into this business and start making money straight up. This business opportunity is available worldwide, so no matter where they are, they can go into job servicing business and start making money. So please guys, make sure you share this video, make sure you like this video so that other people can also get to see it, and please make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel already. Just click the button that says subscribe below this video, and also click the bell icon so that you will be notified each time I post videos like this. With that said guys, let's go straight into today's video. So let's assume somebody hired us to create a roller banner and we don't have the skills to create a roller banner. We are not a graphic designer. So what do? We need to go find a graphic designer that can design the roller banner for us so that we can deliver the banner to the client as though we were the one that created the banner and still make money. Now to do that guys, once you get a job, just go to fiverr.com. I'm going to leave the link below this video. So the first thing you need to do is to go to fiverr.com. Just click the link. It will bring you to this home page. If you are not registered on Fiverr already, Fiverr is going to ask you to register. So it's very simple. Just click on the link and then type in your username, your password, and every other detail. Once you do that, you'll be seeing this page the way it is right now. So this is the home page of Fiverr. Now once you're on the home page of Fiverr, this part that says I'm sorry guys, let me quickly remove all the okay, great. So this part that says find services, come over to this part, this search bar, and then search for the service you're looking for. Now in our case, I'm looking for a roller banner designer, right? So I'm just going to type roller banner, and Fiverr is going to bring out sellers that are in this category. So the first thing you need to do is for you to go through the page. Just go through the page, and then any design you find eye-catching, click on it and go to the person's profile. So now I'm just going to go through the page and see the designs here. Just keep going down. You'll be seeing different designs, and then whichever one catches your eyes, whichever one you find attractive, just click on it. It will take you to the person's profile. Okay guys, so I think I love this design. I'm just going to click. You can either click on the thumbnail or you can click on the title of the gig. So for this case, I'm just going to click on the title of the gig and open it in another tab. So this is it guys. It has taken me to the person's profile, the freelancer's profile. So this is the person's profile. This person says, I will design your pop-up roller banner stand. So the next thing you need to do is just to go through the person's what's it called, the person's gig thumbnail, for you to see the previous jobs that the person has done, to be sure that this person is actually a professional, so that once we hire this person is going to design a professional job for us. So to do that, just come over to this place, this part here, and then click on it. It will show you other designs that this seller or this freelancer has created for people. Now these are some of his recent designs, these are some of his recent jobs. So we can see that this seller is actually a very professional graphics designer. The next thing you need to do is to check the reviews of this particular seller. If you come over to the to this part under the gig title, this part that there are stars right now, if you come over to this part, if you see 5, it means that this seller has a lot of 5-star reviews. If you see 4.9, it means that this seller has a lot of 4.9 reviews. So as it is right now, it means that this seller has over or let's say 45 5-star reviews. If you click on it, it's going to take you to where it's going to take you to the review section. So this is the review section. These are people that left reviews. This person said he did good, another person said great job, he nailed it. So it means that people who this seller has worked for, we are actually satisfied with his service. That means if we hire this particular seller, the seller is going to make us happy at the end of the day. We won't just waste our money hiring him. So the next thing we need to do is to come over to this part where the prices are. The basic package for this gig costs $15. The standard package costs $25, and then the premium package costs $40. Now guys, make sure you check the pricing so that you'll be sure that even after hiring this freelancer, you are still going to make profit. Another thing you need to check before hiring a freelancer on Fiverr is to check the number of revisions that the freelancer is willing to give for a particular gig. If you come over to this part, this premium gig costs $40, right? And the seller is only willing to do 2 revisions, which is bad for a drop servicing business. Since we don't have the skills, we need somebody that is willing to do multiple revisions for us in case our client is asking for multiple revisions. So it is advisable for you to go for freelancers that are willing to do unlimited revisions. That way, even though your client is asking for revision or modification for the 5th time, you can always go back to the freelancer, and the freelancer will be able to modify the job for you without asking for extra charges. So please take note of that. Now, after going through the person's profile, you've gone through the reviews, everything is okay, you've gone through the previous job, everything is perfect, you're okay with the pricing, even though you hired the freelancer, you're still going to make profit, the number of revisions says unlimited revision. The next thing you need to do is just to go over to this place that says continue and hire the freelancer. But before I do that, let me just go over to let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Let's check this gig, if this gig has unlimited revision, and then let's also open another gig and see if that gig has unlimited revision. Okay, so it's opening. Okay, exactly what I was talking about. Okay, now this seller has 443 4.9 reviews, and this seller currently has 2 orders in queue. This seller says, I will design creative roller banner for your business, and the basic package is $10 with unlimited revisions. Standard package is $20 and the premium package is $40. Now this is the kind of freelancer you should hire for a drop servicing business, the kind of freelancer that is willing to do unlimited revisions. You can see it here, it's written unlimited revisions, meaning this seller is willing to modify your job till you are satisfied. That is the kind of freelancer you should hire, so that in case your client is asking for revision for the 5th time, you can come back to this freelancer and ask this freelancer to modify, since we don't have the skills. If the client is not satisfied with the job, it might cancel his order, and then if they cancel the order, you're just going to lose money. So in order for you to avoid, or always go for a freelancer that is willing to offer unlimited revision. So please take note of this. This is very important. Don't just come to Fiverr and go to the home page and then click on anybody's profile. You need to check for the reviews that the seller has. You need to check for the number of revision that the seller is willing to offer, and you also need to check the previous job that the seller has designed or made or whatever, so that you'll be sure that you are hiring the right person. So that is it, guys. For those that are going for professional services like writing, programming, you need to hire a professional seller on Fiverr. I said it before that Fiverr has two category of seller. There's the pro Fiverr seller, and also there's the normal Fiverr seller, right? If that makes sense. So now, if someone hired you for a writing gig and you don't have the skills to write, you're not a good writer, you can come to Fiverr and type ghostwriting. Once you type ghostwriting, it's better for you to hire someone who English is their native language. So for you to hire a professional writer on Fiverr, all you need to do is to come over to this place that says pro services and then click it. Fiverr is going to filter those writers that are professionals, and then you can now go through it and click and hire anybody that has good reviews. These gigs are a little bit more expensive to buy. They are a little bit more expensive than the normal or regular Fiverr gigs because these are professional sellers on Fiverr. So if you go to the page, I think the lowest gig you are going to see is for $100. So this person is offering his gig for $150, $100, $1,000, $100. So that is it, guys. There are some kind of gigs that need a professional touch, right? If that makes sense. There are some kind of gigs that just need a professional to handle the job, because if you deliver a bad job, your client is going to cancel the order and you'll be left with no money. You even lose money. That money you use in hiring that person on Fiverr, you're going to lose that money. So this is it, guys. If you're hiring an e-commerce developer, for instance, you need to click on this part that says pro services, so that Fiverr is going to show you professionals that can do the job well for you in order for you to make profit. So guys, that is all for this video. Please guys, make sure you share this video. Like I said, make sure you like this video. Help others, guys. Somebody's shine will not stop your shine. Somebody's win will not stop your win, so that we all can make money in 2022. I love you guys. I remain Gold Umunsu, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.